everyone, how are you all? Today I'm here to teach you a new tool, and this is a new ICT tool and it is absolutely free of cost, and the name is FreeMind. So today we will be creating a new mind map. So as you can see here, I have opened your mind map. So what I will do here, I will just write here our gardeners by multiple intelligence. So I have written here, this is our parent node. Now in this parent node, what I will do is I will add some siblings, some child node and some siblings. So to add the child node, what I'll do, I'll press here insert key. Okay, so one child node is inserted here, and suppose first one we will write here as interpersonal. Then after that I want to create another child node. So what I will do, I'll again press here insert. So a sub will form here. That is a sibling of this. And if I want to create just another child node, what I'll do, I will just click back here, and here I'll press enter key. So we will create here 3 nodes. So first is interpersonal, then I'll create here linguistic, then again I'll press enter, and after pressing enter I will create say spatial, again enter, I'll press say musical. Okay, so linguistic, spatial, musical, interpersonal we have created here. Only 4 I will show you. Similarly, you can create the rest of the nodes. Now in the first one, I have created here. In this sibling, what we will do, we will just want to insert a picture. So what I do, I will just click here, and then here we can go to insert. For this you have to first save the file. Okay, and then only you can add here one image. So first let's save it in the name. So first what I'll do, I'll just save it. So I've just created here, I'll go to my desktop and I'll just save it here. After this, when I click on this, I can easily insert one. So what I'll do, I'll just click here and I will choose one file from here. So for interpersonal, let's take this smart kid picture and we'll place it over here. And for linguistic, what I'll do, I have to press the insert here, and then I'll insert here another one. For this again I'll go here. You can also press Alt and K, and here we are having linguistic. For linguistic, let's have the word smart picture. So we have placed the word smart picture. And for spatial, now let me again click on insert, and then I'll go back to here and I will insert one picture. So what I will take for linguistic, we have already done. So spatial, we can take a picture smart, and for last is a musical. Like this you can create the other nodes. For showing you, I'll create only 4. So what I'll do, I'll just click here insert, then I will go here, I will choose the file, and for musical, some pictures I have already saved. You can also save it from the internet, and then here we have got all our pictures. In this way you can do. And now to under this sibling, if you want to create something, what you have to do, press enter key, and suppose this we can write as smart intelligence, right? And below this also we can write something So what we will write, we'll just press the enter key, and for linguistic we can write as word smart, right? And for below this, if you want to write something, we can just insert here, and we can just want to create another node, but we are not supposed to create another node. So what we will do, we'll just cross it, and we will press the enter key for this, and here we can just write here picture smart, and here we'll press enter key and we'll write here music smart. It is now it's absolutely ready. Now let me just press enter over here. Now it's ready, and to show you just 4 I have created. At the end you can just save it, you can print it, you can use all these icons. Suppose you have done here something and you want to place this icon, I can place icon over. I can change this. Suppose I want to make it bold, so I'll take this. I want all this to be highlighted, all this to be bold. So I'll just, so many things are here. You have to just install this and you have to try. Right, and I have created an entire, all the multiple intelligences I have created. I can just show that to you. Let me just open it and show you. See, now here I can show you. Here I have created all the multiple intelligence, as you can see. Thank you. I think you have enjoyed today's mind map session, and hope you are having a great day. Bye bye all of you. Again I will come back with something new for you.